This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com. Welcome students. Today we will be learning our last and final tense, which is future perfect continuous tense. Let me give you a definition to understand in a better way. The future perfect continuous tense is used to indicate a continuing action that will be completed at some specified time in the future. There are two helping verbs which are being used in this tense, which are shall have been, which we use with I, you, we, they, and the other one is will have been, which we use with he, she, and it. We use first form of the verb with ing. Let me give you a quick example. I shall have been playing. In order to convert this positive sentence into negative, we'll need to place not. So let's look at the negative sentence. I shall not have been playing. In order to convert this into interrogative, we'll start our sentence with shall or will. In this case, our sentence will be shall I have been playing? Question mark. Let's take another example. She will have been studying. She will not have been studying. Will she have been studying? Question mark. Remember, in order to have command over language, you need to practice as much as possible. But before we start practice, I will give you a quick recap so it should become easy for you while you're having practice of this tense. The two helping verbs, the one is will have been, the other one is shall have been. And we used first form of the verb with ing. So as you can see, there are some sentences showing here which are all already in past perfect continuous tense, and we will be converting these into future perfect continuous tense. And this will give us more flexibility to adapt and start thinking and processing in new language. In this case, we are learning in English, so it's going to be reprogram our mind, and we'll give it more better exercise, So let's start it. So it will be he will have been going to school. He will not have been going to school. Will he have been going to school? And here, she will have been eating food. She will not have been eating food. And here, will she have been eating food? So here, I shall have been practicing. I shall not have been practicing. Shall I have been practicing? They shall have been visiting this mall. They shall not have been visiting this mall. Shall they have been visiting this mall? We shall have been purchasing this property. We shall not have been purchasing this property. Shall we have been purchasing this property. You shall have been buying this ticket. You shall not have been buying this ticket. Shall you have been buying this ticket? I shall have been reading this book. I shall not have been reading this book. Shall I have been reading this book? She will have been going for shopping. She will not have been going for shopping. Will she have been going for shopping? We shall have been reviewing this product. We shall not have been reviewing this product. Shall we have been reviewing this product? You shall have been traveling. You shall not have been traveling. Shall you have been traveling? She will have been using this perfume. She will not have been using this perfume. Will she have been using this perfume? He will have been playing. He will not have been playing. Okay, will he have been playing? They shall have been going to restaurant. They shall not have been going to restaurant. Shall they have been going to restaurant? Then we have we shall have been sleeping. We shall not have been sleeping. Shall we have been sleeping? I shall have been purchasing this laptop. I shall not have been purchasing this laptop. Shall I have been purchasing this laptop? They shall have been eating all the fruit. They shall not have been eating all the fruit. Shall they have been eating all the fruit? Then we have she will have been applying for a new job. She will not have been applying for a new job. Will she have been applying for a new job? You shall have been finishing the course. You shall not have been finishing this course. Shall you have been finishing this course? They shall have been applying for visa. They shall not have been applying for visa. Shall they have been applying for visa? Then we have you shall have been opening your bank account. You shall not have been. You shall not have been opening your bank account. Shall you have been opening your bank account. She will have been going to salon. She will not have been going to salon. Will she have been going to salon? I shall have been playing well. I shall not have been playing well. Shall I have been playing well? So we have converted past perfect continuous tense sentences into future perfect continuous tense. It's always fun when you practice like this. That really tests your skills and you're learning what you have learned so far. One more piece of information I want to share with you. For a specific time frame, you need to mention for. For general time frame, you use since. Let me give you a quick example. I have been teaching for last 10 years. I have been teaching since many years. So for last 10 years, 10 is a specific time frame, I'm using for. Whereas for general time frame, many years, I'm using since. So always keep this in mind. I hope you enjoyed this video. You need to give a command or tell your mind to start translating into English. This will enhance your vocabulary. In order to increase your vocabulary bank, we will highly recommend you to buy a dictionary or to consult a dictionary that will give you a wider spectrum or more words and the meanings of the same word. I hope you enjoyed watching this video today. Happy learning. I will see you in next video. Till then, bye. This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com.